When the folks over at WattCycle asked me if I had an application for their 4,000 watt-hour lithium ferrophosphate battery, I thought to myself, that's a great way to score points with my wife. So let's install it. I'll tell you a little bit about it. The first thing we got to do is take out the old battery. When you compare the size of these two batteries, they're not significantly different in size. But the lead acid battery is 70 amp hours, whereas the lithium ferrophosphate battery is 314 amp hours. Low temperature shutoff, which is a safety feature on these so that you don't actually damage the battery, and it extends the life even more. The other thing I like about this battery is it has a Bluetooth connection that allows you to hook it up to the WattCycle app. It's nice because as long as you're close to the battery, so that I knew exactly what was going on with the batteries without having to go through an entire troubleshooting checklist. The app just kind of tells you what's happening. So that's very useful. And it fills out space quite nicely. I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed in about 3/4 of the space that one takes up in that case. This is very compact. So let's see if it works. The TV's still on. Let's see. Look at that. Battery's still fully charged. So I'm gonna say this is the way to go. So I am really happy with the quality, the storage amount of this particular battery, the size of it, which made it really easy to just install it in the existing battery space in the motorhome. So I gotta say the best part about it is the value.